Good day. I-discuss ko po yung 1 to 5 problems for advanced mathematics. First problem is the complex numbers. Ito yung example po niya is 6 plus 5i times 8 minus 2i. So, ang gagawin po dito is FOIL method. So, ito na po. 6 times 8 is 48 minus 6 times negative 2i is 12i. So, copy the i because dahil dito sa 2i. 5 times 8 is positive 40i. 5 times 2. 5 times negative 2 is equals to negative 10i squared. Tapos, next naman po is ipagpa-plus po ang 12i, ay negative 12i plus 40i. So, ito po yung kinalabasan. Copy the 48 plus 28i minus 10i squared. Yung 10i squared naman, ang mangyayari is magiging negative 1. So, next naman po ang gagawin na process is 48 minus 10 times negative 1 is equals to 48. Tapos, copy ulit ang 28i sa ibaba. Ito po yung final answer. So, paano naman pag fraction or division. So, ganito lang po yan. 18 plus 11i all over 6 minus i times 6 plus 1 or i all over 6 plus 1. So, parang same lang din ang process sa multiplication. FOIL method muna ang gagawin. So, 18 times 6 is equals to 108 plus 18 times I or 1 is equals to 18i plus 11i times 6 is equals to 66i. 11i times 1 or I is equals to 11i squared. Next naman is 6 times 6 is 36. Tapos copy ulit ang I squared. I times I. Next naman is ipagpa-plus naman ng 18i plus 66 kaya magiging 84i. So yung 11i squared magiging negative 1. Ang I squared naman sa ibaba is magiging negative 1. So copy ulit ang 108. Next naman is 108 plus 11 times 108 plus 11 times negative 1 is equals to 97. Copy ang 84i all over 36 minus negative 1 is equals to 37. Kaya ito po yung final answer. Matrices. A is equals to matrices ng 986 to 57. B matrices is equals to 3, 7, 10 to 1, 5. So, ang gagawin naman po dyan is parang magmumultiply ka ng padiretso, pababa. So, ito po yung kinalabasan. So, 9 times 3 plus 8 times 7 plus 6 times 10 magiging is equals to positive 143. Next naman is 9 times 2, 8 times 1, 6 times 5, bali ipagpa-plus po, is equals to 56. 2 times 3, plus 5 times 7, plus 7 times 10, is equals to 111. Next naman is 2 times 2, plus 5 times 1, plus 7 times 5, is equals to 44. Kaya ito yung matrices ng AB natin is 143, 56, 111, at 44. So, paano naman pag BA? BA naman, parang same process lang sa AB, pero iba yung kinalabasan na process. Parang mahaba po ang mangyayari. So, ganito po siya. 3 times 9 plus 2 times 2 is equals to 31. 3 times 8 plus 2 times 5 is equals to 34. 3 times 6 plus 2 times 7 is equals to 32. 7 times 9 plus 1 times 2 is equals to 65. 7 times 8 plus 1 times 5 is equals to 61. 7 times 6 plus 1 times 7 is equals to 49. 10 times 9 plus 5 times 2 is equals to 100. 10 times 8 plus 5 times 5 is equals to 105. 10 times 6 plus 5 times 7 is equals to 95. Kaya yung matrices ng BA is equals to 31, 34, 32, 65, 61, 49, 100, 105, at 95. Next is Cramer's rule. Paano ba ang ginagawa sa Cramer's rule? Cross multiplication method siya. Para makuha natin yung D, after makuha yung D, i-divide natin sa X, Y, at Z. So, ito yung example is 6x plus 2y plus 6z is equals to 9. 4x plus y plus z is equals to 13. 2x plus 7y plus 2z is equals to 7. Next is D is equals to 6. 6, 2, 6, 4, 1, 1, 2, 7, 2 is equals to x tapos y ng ito yung x, ito yung y. Okay. So D is equals to 6 times 1 times 6 times 1 times 2 is equals to 12. 4 times 1 times 2 is equals to 4. 6 times 4 times 7 is equals to 168. Minus, next is 6 times 1 times 6 is equals to 12. 7 times 1 times 6 is equals to 42. 2 times 4 times 2 is equals to 16. So, ipagpa-plus muna natin siya. 12 plus 4 plus 168 is equals to 184. May 12 plus 42 plus 16 is equals to 70. So, 184 minus 70 is equals to 114. So, next naman, ang gagawin dyan is hanapin na natin yung NX. Bale, yung 913.7 ay ilalagay natin dito. NX yung 913.7 ay ilalagay natin sa mismong X ng X. 913.7. So, NX is equals to 9 times 1 times 2 is equals to 18. 2 times 1 times 7 is 14. 6 times 13 times 7 is equals to 546. 7 times 1 times 6 is equals to 42. 7 times 1 times 9 is equals to 63. 2 times 13 times 2 is equals to 52. So, yung NX natin is 18 plus 14 plus 546 is equals to 578. 42 plus 63 plus 52 is equals to 157. So, 578 minus 157 is equals to 421. So, i-divide na natin siya sa D. So, NX all over D is equals to 421 all over 114. Ito yung final answer ng D. Is equals to final answer ng X is 3.69. Next is NY. Same operation lang sa NX. I-cross multiplication method mo siya. So, yung NY natin is equals to 156, 18, 168, minus 156, 2 times 13 times 6, 156, 7 times 1 times 6, 42, 2 times 4 times 9 is 72. Plus, pagpa-plus natin, so 342 minus 270 is equals to, minus 270 is equals to 72. So, divide natin siya para makuha yung y is ny over d, 72, all over 114 is equals to 0.63. Next is z. 6 times 1 times 7 is 42. 2 times 13 times 2 is 52. 9 times 4 times 7 is 252. Minus 2 times 1 times 9 is 18. 7 times 13 times 6 is 546. So 7 times 4 times 2 is equals to 56. So 42 plus 52 plus 252 is 346. 18 plus 546 plus 56 is 620. So 346 minus 620 is equals to negative 274. Dahil malaki itong number na to, kaya naging negative po siya. So z is equals to nz over d is equals to negative 274 all over 114 is equals to negative 2.40. Jacobi method tayo. Paano naman ginagawa sa Jacobi method? Hinahanap natin is yung whole number. Kaya yung example po niya, sample problem po natin is 5x plus 21y minus 14z is equals to negative 110. 20x minus 13y plus 5z is equals to 114. 8x plus 9y plus 18z is equals to 20. Kaya ang 20x minus 13y plus 5z is equals to 114 is inilagay ko siya sa taas para mag same process yung 20, 21 at 18z. So ito naman yung xyz natin. Yung positive at negative is papalitan mo siya kung ano yung nakalagay na sign sa mga sample problem. Kagaya nito, negative 13y is magiging positive 13y. Positive 5c, magiging negative 5c, all over 20. 114 kasama po pala yun. So, yung negative 110, yung 5x, magiging negative 5x, plus yung negative 14z, magiging positive 14, all over 21y. Yung 20 naman, yung 8x, ilalabas mo sa kabila, based on my understanding, is magiging negative 8x. Yung positive 9y, magiging negative 9y, all over 18. Next naman sa first alteration naman is magiging 0, 0 ho siya. So, ito yung kinalabasan ng final answer na xyz is equals to 5.7, negative 5.2381, 1.1111. Sa second alteration naman, same lang naman yung process ng formula. Pero, ang mangyayari sa second alteration is kung ano yung final answer ng xyz mo, is gagamitin mo siya sa second alteration. So, yung final answer ng xyz natin is 2.0175, negative 5.8545, 1.1968. So, sa third alteration, same lang din ang gagawin. Kung ano yung final answer ng second alteration, gagamitin mo siya sa third alteration. Yung final answer ng xyz natin is 1.5954, negative 4.9206, 3.1417. Next naman is sa fourth alteration. So, same lang din naman. Kung ano yung final answer ng xyz mo sa third alteration is gagamitin mo siya sa fourth alteration. So, yung final answer ng xyz natin is 1.7162, negative 3.5235, 2.8623. So, ito na yung final answer. Kasi, magiging whole number na ho siya. Ito yung table ng first, second, third, fourth ng xyz nila. So, magiging yung 1.7162 is magiging 2, negative 3.5235 is negative 4, yung 2.8623 is magiging 3. So, ito na po yung final answer. Next is Seidel method. Paano naman ang gagawin sa Seidel method? Same process lang siya sa Jacobi method. na hanapin mo yung whole number, pero may difference. Difference, tama. So, ito yung example is 20x minus 12y plus 5z is equals to 112. 5x plus 21y minus 14z is equals to negative 127. 9x plus 9y plus 18z is equals to 9. So, same process lang sa Jacobi. Yung xyz natin. Yan. Yung 112 plus yung negative 12y magiging positive 12y. Positive 5z is magiging negative 5z all over 20. So, negative 127, yung positive 5x magiging negative 5x. Yung negative 14z is magiging positive 14z. 9x magiging negative. Positive 7y is magiging negative 7y all over 18. So, eto na ho. Sa first alteration natin, ang gagawin naman is x is equals to 112 plus 12 times 0 minus 5 times 0 all over 20. Yung final answer ng x is 56. So, sa y naman, paano naman ang gagawin sa y? Yung formula ng y is may x. Yung final answer ng first alteration ng x ng 5.6 is gagamitin mo na siya sa formula ng y. So, magiging negative 127 minus 5 times 5.6. Kaya, ito yung negative 5x. Plus 14z. Yung z niya is magiging 0 pa rin kasi hindi pa natin ano ba tawag dito? Yung final answer ng y is wala pa. Parang ganun. So, all over 21y. So, final answer ng y is equals to negative 7.3810. Z is equals to 9 minus 9. Yung 9, negative 9x plus negative 7y is may final answer na tayo ng x at y. Kaya gagamitin na natin siya sa formula ng z. Kaya magiging 9 minus 9 times 5.6 minus 7 times negative 7.3810 all over 18 is 0.5704. So, sa second alteration na. Next, sa second alteration is ito yung formula niya. Bali, may final answer na tayo ng negative 5z. Kaya, ikakopy na natin sa second alteration yung z niya. Copy ulit yung formula ng sa 12y. Kaya, ang kinalabasan ng x is 1.0288. Same process lang ulit. Kung ano yung final answer mo sa second alteration ng x, gagamitin mo na siya sa formula ng y. Bali, next naman is, kung ano naman yung final answer ng xy, gagamitin mo na siya sa z. Bali, yung yung y is equals to yung 14z niya is pwede mo siya gamitin sa second alteration. Parang, ganun lang din po naman sa process ng third at fourth alteration. Kaya, ang final answer ho natin is 2, negative 7, 2. Ito na po nagtatapos ang aking discussion about sa 1 to 5 problems ng advanced math na ginawa ko po na problems. So, maraming salamat po.